What up, my guy? We just done it again. Crack the YouTube algorithm for the second time. I'm still kidding, kind of. But honestly, we just got another YouTube channel monetized. And if you remember, the last time we made a video about how I was able to monetize a brand new YouTube channel created and monetized in the next 3 days with only one video. But this one is very different. This is not a brand new channel. This is an abandoned YouTube channel. I completely forgot about it. I abandoned it for months, and just in 30 days I decided that I'm going to try something crazy. I took everything I've learned from the past 3 years, all the channel we got monetized, everything I learned, the new strategy, the reason why we got monetized fast on the last channel. I bring everything up to that channel also to try a 30 days challenge to revive it, to get monetized, and guess what? We did it. And before we jump into anything else, let me tell you this real quick. It's not because you are monetized on YouTube that you are going to make money. For example, look at this. This video earned less than $10 in a month. After getting monetized, this is the last video of the month. So let's say if I was going to be paid that month, I'll be paying $10. I've not even reached the threshold to even be paid. So do you understand? But check this out. The same channel but another video with over $149 on another video, same channel, and look, in overall right now we have over 500,000 views and made over $800. But no, not all the $800 is for the 500,000 views, because the views I got before getting monetized doesn't count. So let's say we split it like 50-50. So I got 250,000 views for the $800. So that's like 3.5 as RPM. So my guy, what am I going to give you in this video is very simple. First up, I'm going to get you back to the YouTube studio and we'll check. I'll just show you the channel when the channel was dead, the flat line period. Then I'll show you when I got monetized, when the channel starts getting alive again. So after that, now I'm going to give you two YouTube niches, because that's the secret that helped me get monetized. If you choose a bad niche, you are not going to get monetized. But these two niches I'm going to give you, if you focus on it, definitely you are going to get monetized. As you know, in the last video when we got monetized in 3 days, it was because of the niche. And let me say that these niches, you don't have to show your face. If you want, you can show your face. Bro, this is for everybody, student, anyone. And by the way, let me tell you that in 2025, faceless YouTube channels get monetized and grow faster than face video channel like this one. I know what I'm telling you. The difference is insane. Try them both and you'll see what I'm saying. So if you're ready for the sauce, let's dive in. Alright guys, so as you can see on the dashboard right now, the growth was completely flat at first. Nothing was happening. You can see no views, no traction, just a dead line. And honestly, it makes sense back then because I wasn't consistent. I didn't have a niche. I was just posting random videos and that is it. But then look at this peak right here. That's when things changed, and that's when I got serious. Okay, same times getting monetized, and that's where the real work started. So my friend, what I'm going to share with you in this video is what led to this result. So if you really want to monetize a YouTube channel in 2025 or 2026 or the next year coming, watch this video till the end. Alright, the first niche is global news. You need to understand this. Most of my faceless channel are based on global news or just news, and I explained why in the last video, because every time people are looking for latest news, it drives a lot of views in a short period of time, and yes, make a lot of money. So let me show you a perfect example. The channel Hugo Ticrip. Now you might say, but Joshua, this guy showed his face. Not in every video. Let me explain. Some of these videos are completely faceless, like most of his videos. So that's why I say you can show your face or not. Don't worry at all. And what I really want us to do or to focus on here is how this guy structures his content and how consistent he is. Okay, he's pulling in 500,000 views, 200,000 views, even 300,000 views per video. Okay, and he posts every single day. Bro, this is insane. You can imagine how much money this guy is making. And the best part, this video just used to take like 30 minutes, 1 hour to create. Okay, so don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this kind of video. Okay, so check this out. 2 months ago, 3 months ago, and he's been posting regularly and getting traction. So for example, one of his viral videos was about Donald Trump increasing tariffs on some foreign countries. That video took off. Even China responded to it. It was trending everywhere. Okay, now let's break it down. See how he uses visuals while doing a voiceover. Simple as that. We can easily replicate that. This is very simple to do. You don't need to show your face at all. So let me walk you through how I personally do this kind of video, because I run a channel on this same niche. So here's what I do. Okay, very simple. I take a script from a training video like this one, go to the transcribe section, okay, turn on caption and copy the text. Then I head over ChatGPT and say, here's the script, break it down in 3 parts. Okay, once it's split, I tell ChatGPT rewrite part 1 in 800 words. You can say 1000 words, okay, just to be short, but don't copy the original. So I do this for all the 3 parts. It's very important. Then combine everything and boom, original new video ready to go live and get viral. And next, I gather visuals. They are talking about Donald Trump in China. You gather visuals from Instagram, from the net, but please don't take long videos. Okay, it can be like 2-second video and you blow it kind of with effect when you are doing the editing. But most importantly, people are just here to hear what you are going to say. Okay, so get visuals, and when you are going to explain something, you have free videos on Pixel, Pixabay, even Canva you can get to just illustrate what you are saying. So that's all it is for this niche right now. That's all you have to do, and then you have a brand new YouTube channel ready to go live, ready to get monetized very soon. So now let's get to the next niche. Now the second niche is the football news, or as we say in the US, soccer news. You guys to know that football is the most followed sport in the world, with global icons like Ronaldo and Messi. How people will not be obsessed with it? There are tons of channels that are making money with football news by covering updates, commentary, and doing analysis. Now hold on, I'm not telling you to go download a video and then come and post it. This is a straight way to copyright strike coming to happen. So I'm here to show you the right way. Take this example. Here is a channel that focuses especially on Olympic de Marseille, the OM. Okay, and this is a genius move, because most people, when they start football news, they want to talk about everyone and anything at the same time. But when you niche down to a specific club for a specific fan base, that's when the magic happens. But personally, I'm more a Real Madrid fan, but in the French speaking world, Marseille is a hot niche. Their fans engage, they watch, they share, they like, they comment, they support. When I launched a football news channel, I realized that Real Madrid and the OM, which is the Olympic Marseille, consistently pulled in views than most of the other clubs. So yes, I think this guy has chosen the perfect niche as possible. Now let's check this out.
Alors qu'on sort d'une semaine très vide,
as you can see, this format is similar to the one I showed you earlier with the global news niche. Okay, it uses voiceover, ads, photos, and maybe short clips that are only 2 to 5 seconds. Please, anything longer than that is equal to copyright strike. Me, I don't know. But don't worry, fans are coming just to hear what you are going to say. Okay, just for fancy visuals. Okay, so don't bother yourself. And check the numbers. One of his videos got 21,000 views in one day, just by focusing on OM, Olympic Marseille, just one club, not just global football news, just for a club. This is insane. So the process is simple. Write your script, what you want to say, do a voiceover, go and get some visuals to illustrate what you are going to say. Bam, that's all, you're good to go. Now of course there are many other niches that work very well, and I really know that I have the proof that if I get into this niche, I'm going to get monetized faster than everyone else. But I'm showing you this news based because most of my current channel that I'm on right now are based on it. But I'm working on other niches outside of the news, and don't worry, once I get some results, I'm gonna share them with you, whether it's good or not, so you can learn from it and know how to adjust by your side. And just remember, it either works or it has to work. There are people who talk, there are people who are scared, and there are people who take action. Remember that, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. It was Joshua. Peace out.